Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful designing ideas of crochet baby frocks. You will see very attractive and gorgeous patterns in this video with beautiful color schemes which are used to make them. And most of the designs are made with two contrasting color schemes. You will see just a few of the designs in single color as well. So that's up to you. If you are interested in making your own baby frock set with contrasting colors, you can use contrasting colors, and if you are interested in single color, you can make the baby frock with single color as well. And you can just take ideas about the patterns and designs, and you can take ideas about the color schemes of baby dresses in this video as well, because all of these designs are made with different color schemes, so you will find different types of color schemes and contrast in this video as well. And you can see all of these designs are having different crochet patterns used in them. Like you can see, you will see designs with square yoke pattern, and you will see round yoke patterns designs as well, and double crochet stitch is used as major stitch in almost all of these designs. Most of the designs are having a shell stitch pattern for flare part of this of the frocks as well, and you will see other patterns too, but most of the designs are having shell stitch and modified shell stitch designs. And you will see puff stitch pattern in this beautiful shell stitch pattern as well, and other different designs with different crochet patterns, like you will see strawberry stitch, pineapple stitch, zigzag pattern, and other different patterns used in these designs of frocks as well. And you will see most of the designs having ribbon attached at the waist part of frock, so you can adjust the waist size with this ribbon as well. So ribbon is just more useful to attach to a frock, so you can just make a square yoke frock and add a baby ribbon, which is a half-inch ribbon mostly, which are used in these frocks, and you can just give it a try as well. And you can see most of the designs are having crochet flower work on these baby dresses as well. So if you are a lover of crochet work, you can just attach baby uh, on these baby frocks. You can attach crochet flowers as well. Most of the designs are having 2 layer or 3 layer crochet flower work, but you can make any type of crochet 3D flower. Many of the flower tutorial videos are already available on my channel, and I have uploaded crochet baby dresses on my channel as well, so you can just see tutorial videos of crochet baby frocks and baby frogs flowers as well, which are already available on my channel. And if you want to see more, let me know in the comments as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.